Hello everyone. So today we would be discussing about the types of mountains. As we know that there are various type of landforms existing on the surface of earth, mountains are one of them. In a previous video we have idea about that how the mountains were forming over there. When two plates are converging towards each other, the one with more density is sinking down the earth. When it reaches near to the mantle, the magma here rises up, lava comes out and lead to the formation of structures like this. And these are known as mountains. There are many processes by which these mountains are formed here. So we would be discussing today in this video that what are the types of mountains forming here. Start with the first type, that is fold mountains. Fold mountains are those which are formed by the process of folding and faulting. So let's say that two plates are converging and both of them are continental in nature. If the plates are continental in nature and they are converging towards each other, some amount of subduction would also be taking place here, but later on it is formed by the process of folding. These plates would start to get fold in this way. And this is how Rockies are formed. This is how Himalayas are formed. Various type of mountains are formed by this way, this process, folding and folding. The next type is block mountains. Block mountains are also very famous type of mountains which are formed when two tectonic plates move away from each other, causing cracks on the surface of Earth. Mainly, it causes crack on the surface of Earth. It is sometimes by the process of divergence when they start to move away from each other. Very famous example is Sierra Nevada. This is a type of block mountain which is formed by the process of divergence among them. The next type is dome mountains. Dome mountains are those mountains which are being formed by the process of eruption from the earth. Eruption is like the volcanoes erupted from the earth. But the difference between dome mountains is that when magma rises up from the mantle of the earth but hardens before erupting in onto the surface. Let's say this is the earth and magma is rising from the mantle of the earth. It is rising up, but it do not reaches to the surface. It solidifies before reaching to the surface. Then it is known as dome mountains. And very famous dome mountains are known as Wales. It is very famous mountains in England. Moving to the next type, that is volcanic mountains. These are the one which we known as volcano. So if there is any volcanic eruption and the magma rises up from the earth, reaches onto the surface, which is known as lava. A very famous example we can consider Mount Merapi. It is in Indonesia, Indonesian island series. This is Java Island. So this is by the process of volcanic eruption. Next one is Plateau Mountains. As we know, this Himalayan range is here. This region is Himalayan range. So if a plateau is formed by the process of formation of some mountain range near to it, a very large distance flat land is known to be plateau. If it is high and also large distance flat region, Tibet, Tibetan plateau is one of the largest plateau in the world with at such great height. It is very famous plateau in the world. It plays great role in monsoon in India. So many benefits for the weather for India. I hope you understand the types of mountains well. Thank you for watching.